How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the infill percentage in Bambu Studio. Now, let's get started by navigating through our project right here. So I have this dragon that we're going to change the infill into. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the side category on which we have the quality, strength, speed, supports, and others. You can just click on the strength option. In here, scroll down, and then you have the sparse infill density. So I want to set my infill percentage into something like 15%, which is basically going to be the default option. In here, you can also change the infill pattern. Now, based on my experience, the adaptive cubic right here provides the best infill results. So I'll just select that. And of course, if we do something like the slice plate option, we will be able to see the 15% and the adaptive cubic that we have applied right here. As you can see, there we have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.